2 BHK model flat at Sattva Songbird. This is the fire space. A cozy living room. With an attached balcony in the living. A cozy dining space, uniquely designed. We have this L-shaped parallel kitchen with attached utility or connected utility. This is the common washroom. The first bedroom. Spacious bedroom. Enough space around the bed. A tucked in wardrobe without much disturbance. This is the master bedroom that comes with an attached washroom. Again, uniquely designed space. Master bedroom comes with a balcony. This is the master washroom. Please call on the number for more details and site visit inquiries.